In this video, we'll show you how to use the clipboard feature on your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So first, head to the search menu and then type in clipboard. Now click on this clipboard settings option at the top. Now in the settings app, you'll need to ensure that the clipboard history feature is enabled from here. Once you have enabled it, simply press the Windows key and the V key on your keyboard. Once you do, you should see this panel right here. Now anytime you copy a text, so I'll just copy a bunch of text right here. Once I've copied this and open the clipboard, they all appear right here. This also works for images, so if I copy an image, say from my browser, and open the clipboard, it will appear here. Now anytime I want to use one of these items, I can simply open a text box, open the clipboard, and then double click on the entry. This way I can paste the copied item instantly. Similarly, if you want to use a specific item time and again, you can use this pin option. This way this item will appear always at the top. Note that Windows 11 clipboard only remembers your last 25 copied items, and all these items disappear once you shut down or restart your laptop. However, if you have pinned something like this image or this text, they will appear right here and they won't be gone after you restart or reboot the system. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Guru.